up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I'm just so excited. I am recreating Doja Cat's blue turquoise 70s moment right here, and I've been wanting to do it for the longest time, so I'm just over the moon. I even pulled out my most luxurious silky 70s-ish like blouse shirt thing. I don't even know, but it's a moment. This is a whole, it's a whole moment. We're gonna get into the tutorial in 1 second. I just wanted to quickly say that if you are new here, welcome. My name is Natasha and I always look like this. Never. But I want my channels to be a space where we take an as realistic and true but also fun approach to beauty. So if that sounds like your thing, hit that subscribe button, girl. I would also go follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of shit on there too. I do unboxings, I do fun filters, I entertain you during this lockdown. Let's get into this makeup. Hair back. I just hate this Monchichi air. Like I always have it in my videos and I want to put it behind, but this looks weird. So I just, yeah, okay, whatever. The palette that I'm going to use today is the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Ice palette. I ordered this a while ago and I think I'm at like look 3 or 4 on the channel with this palette. It is amazing. The only thing that I can say about this palette that isn't the best is the longevity of the eyeshadow. It doesn't really live on my eye for the longest in comparison to other shadows, but it works wonderfully. It blends so smoothly. I primed my eye with concealer and then I went in with a little bit of Frostbite just to set my lid, and then the 2 colors that I'm going to use today are Crystal and Melt. So I'm just going to go in with that lighter color, Crystal, and I'm going to pack it on my entire lid. So don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me? Don't be greedy with this color. You need a lot. As you can see, now it's on my entire lid, and now I'm going to bring it up above my crease, and I'm also going to out. Now I'm going to grab this other end of the brush, which is a lot more fluffy, and I'm just going to start blending. This eyeshadow is, it's not very complicated. It's not very hard to do. The tough part of this look, it's coming for you. It's going to be the eyeliner and the eyelash application. So I'm gonna go in with the color Icy. This is a little bit of a shimmery kind of, I'll show you on my finger because that is Icy. So you see it's kind of like a champagne color. I'm just gonna very lightly highlight under my brow, on my brow bone. And then I'm gonna once again go in with that fluffy brush just to kind of blend the two. So now I'm gonna go into that a little bit of a darker color called Melt. And I'm just gonna add that right here, which is right above my crease. And I'm placing that just to deepen the crease a little bit. Once again, going back into my fluffy brush and just blending that out. I'm very well aware of the fact that you can hear my husband talking in the background. We are still very much in lockdown and he is still very much working from home and he is still very much in meetings all day, talking all day. So we're all just gonna have to get used to it. It's not gonna change for a while. It is what it is. All right, I think I'm done with the lid. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna apply that light blue all the way in. I'm gonna do my inner corner the silver color, so I'm gonna go in and mix a very nice glittery silver, and then this one right here, Cool, it's kind of like a white silverish color, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker one, and I'm just popping that on the inner corner, and I'm also bringing it a little bit upwards, and then I'm going into Cool, which is a bit lighter, and I'm just adding that on top for an extra pop. Okay, we have reached the very stressful step of eyeliner. And what I did on this eye is, because she has got a very thick cat liner going on, I can't do that because when I look forward, you can see that my crease extends further out than the corner of my eye, which means it makes it very difficult to create like a straight winged eyeliner. What tends to happen is that if I go into that crease, it kind of becomes round, and that's not what you want in a wing. You want it to be sharp AF. You want it to be able to cut a. What we do is we're going to do a little bit of a bat wing. Now I have a video with 3 different eyeliner looks where I show how to do the bat wing, but that one that I did is quite dramatic. This one is a little bit more pulled back, so I'm going to show you how I do this one. So the liner that I'm using today is one from Isadora. This is their Flex Tip eyeliner in 80 Deep Black. I know that this one isn't available like in the States, so I also can recommend the Milani one that I use very often, and I also like the Glossier Lash Slick. So I'm going to start with inner corner, but I'm going to make it so thin, okay? I'm going to do this very thin inner corner liner. That's the start of it. Continue outwards. And don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right now, as long as you kind of lay down the base. That's the base. Now you can go along that and just stamp with the eyeliner across your lid. So yeah, it is definitely a little bit too thick in the middle right there, but I'm just like, who cares, you know? Live with it. I think we all need to learn, especially when it comes to eyeliner, that we can't always do a perfect job, and we just have to be satisfied with whatever we get, with whatever the universe gives us. Like, we just need to be like, this is what the universe wanted, I'm just gonna roll with it. You know, have you watched my first eyeliner tutorial where I show you my eyeliner tricks? If you haven't, I think you should, because what I do there, I'm gonna start with that wing. That's just my base wing. So at the end of my crease, I create a little dot. Well, actually, it could have been a little bit higher. It's actually right. Oh my God, what's going on? Okay. Anyways, at the end of that crease, right there. Now, I know I can't go any further up with my eyeliner because if I do, it's gonna get swallowed up by my crease. What I'm doing is I'm connecting in between the two. There we go. And now I can extend that for how long I want it. So I'm gonna make it as long as the other one, which is somewhere like right there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect that to my outer corner. I'm gonna thicken it up. So right here, connecting the two. Now, generally I can't go thicker than this because in that case, my liner doesn't look straight. But if I do a little bit of a bat wing, which you can see right here, you see that it's not going straight down. That's what I'm gonna do here. So I'm gonna look straight forward and I'm gonna go from the end of the wing and I'm gonna draw a line in towards my crease or the end of my crease. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer because this one is getting a bit thicker than the other side and I want it to be a little bit slimmer. So I'm just gonna sharpen this up and make it a bit thinner like the other side. And now, still I feel like there's too much of a lid space going on right here. So I'm gonna thicken up this liner right here. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of that light blue and add it to the end right here because I accidentally removed some when I did the black eyeliner. Wow, I can't believe that I just managed to do a winged eyeliner without almost any issues. Okay, shit. Okay, time for step number 2 of hell. Lashes to me are very much an anxious, stressful step because I think they're very difficult to apply, and I just think it's very difficult to find a pair that actually fit my eye and look good on my eye. But I have found one, and these ones I have been actually using for years or years ago, but I haven't used them now for a while. And it's the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. So when I take the lash off, first thing I do is I kind of wiggle them a little bit, so I soften the lash band up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove just the last lash piece right there, because you can see they're kind of split up. Waiting for the warm light to come back. Here it goes, here we go, here we go. Sun, come back. Give me my warm daylight again. I appreciate it very much. Now that I waited all day for you to come out so I can film. I'm so impressed right now, because look, when I completely relax, my wing is still straight. And it's just a tiny, tiny, tiny baby bat wing. Maybe that's what I need to go for always. Maybe that's my calling. Maybe that's my, at least not my calling, but maybe at least like my liner style. I use the Duo white/clear glue. So I apply this with my finger. I find it the easiest because these lashes are quite long. So if I hold it like at the just edge of the lash, it's fine. And then I try to attach it, as I said, in the inner corner first. I'm just gonna attach it in there. I try to push them in because one of my issues is that they attach to my lashes and not my lid, which means that they don't go all the way in. I am gonna go in with mascara just on my own lashes for them to kind of blend in to the fake lashes. So I'm just going at the roots. I don't like to put mascara on. When did that happen? Huh? I don't like to put mascara on fake lashes, so I try to make sure that I just use it to, what happened to my voice? Use it. No. That I just use it on my own lashes for them to blend in. I just did it again. What happened? What happened to my voice? It just got really deep. By the way, while I was waiting for my great sunlight to come out, I messaged Coffee and I was like, hey girl, look at me. I have a full face on. Are you proud of me? I have the lashes on, everything, because she's the queen of a full face. I'm gonna add her Instagram, YouTube, whatever here. By the way, go follow her. She's amazing. But anyways, look at how cute she is. I love this. I'm so proud. You look so freaking good. We're gonna do a collab very soon, so I hope you are looking forward to that. So she has got a little bit of a white liner going on her waterline. I don't have a white one, but I'm going to use the silver one from Pixie instead, because I think it goes good with this look. I already have silver on my inner corners, so let's just do this. All right, I'm going to go and just touch up a little bit, add some more lips, and I will be back to finish off this video. Okay friends, this is the finished look. I just quickly wanted to say that I'm going to add all the products that I used on my face in the description box below, but I quickly wanted to mention my lippy because I really like this combination. So I don't have a brown lip pencil, which it looks like she's got going on, so I just use my liquid lipstick from Pixie in it's the Maria Maculage collaboration. This is in the, yeah, Posh Nude is what it's called. So this is just a brownish nude on me. So I lined my lips with that, let it set, and then I went in with this Makeup Revolution lip gloss in Knockout, which is kind of like this peachy color, and I really, really like that lippy. And oh my god, look at that highlight. Look at that highlight. It's that Isadora highlight that I've been talking about. Such a nice glow. Okay, I really hope you enjoy this Doja Cat moment. I have been wanting to recreate this look for the longest time, so I really hope you like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.